Okay, another POV of Juvelen at Djurs Sommerland. This time, as you can tell, back row. I think this is an awesome roller coaster. This time we don't have our hats on. So the idea is to actually enjoy the coaster, not hold on to our hats. Yeah. You can see the dark show better now. Wow, that was awesome. That's great. I like this. Here we go, guys. Wow. There's a chance this POV will be really cool. And the second launch. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, great! Oh, that was really fun with your friend, yeah? Oh, that's awesome. Great roller coaster. I think our hair looks amazing.
You have my style like this.